Okay, still on the entertainment news. Once again, Cuba Gooding Jr. faces new sexual assault lawsuit. Hollywood actor Cuba Gooding Jr. is facing renewed allegations of sexual abuse by two women who previously brought criminal charges against him. In a complaint filed in a New York State court in Manhattan, Jasmine Abbay said the Oscar-winning actor forcibly kissed her without her consent in September 2018 while she was working as a cocktail waitress at the LAVO nightclub in midtown Manhattan. The other plaintiff, Kelsey Harbert, accused Gooding of groping her breast in June 2019 at the Magic Hour rooftop bar, also in midtown. In addition to a jury trial, both women are seeking damages for lost wages and emotional distress, as well as punitive damages, liquidated damages, and attorney's fees. The women filed their claim under New York's Expiring Adult Supervisors Act, which has given victims of sexual abuse a one-year window for claims that would otherwise be barred by time limits. That window closed yesterday, November 23rd, which was a Thanksgiving holiday. Others sued under the law include actors Russell Brand and Bill Cosby, former movie producer Harvey Weinstein, former President Donald Trump, and music mogul Sean Diddy Combs, whose case settled after one day. If you would recall, Cuba Gooding Jr. pleaded guilty in April 2022 to a misdemeanor charge of forcibly touching Abbay, who was not identified by name at the time but revealed her identity in a lawsuit. The charge was downgraded 6 months later to harassment, to which Gooding pleaded guilty after complying with a plea agreement that required alcohol and behavior modification treatment and no further arrest. Harbert at the time expressed outrage she could not hold him accountable in court for the irreparable damage he caused. Back in June, Cuba Gooding Jr. settled a civil lawsuit in Manhattan federal court moments before trial by a woman who accused him of a 2013 rape. Terms were, however, not disclosed as the woman had sought $6 million. Wow.
It's just so sad. And
Crazy.
It goes back to what I said the other time, saying that after you have built your brand, you have, done well for yourself in life. And something as stupid as this, it's just so sad. It's just so sad. Especially people that you watch and you like their craft and, you already like them. And then you hear stuff like this about them. It's just so disheartening.
It's terrible because you already have like a view of these people, and then when these things come up, it's changing your perspective, and then you're questioning yourself like, oh, was this person really like this? Was it because I like this person, I chose not to see this, or I didn't even know about it? And then in recent times, we've seen so many celebrities, like we listed out, being accused or being served lawsuits for mostly sexual assault and harassment, and it's mostly women. There are too many things happening right now. I'll just go with what you said earlier. Be careful out there, be safe out there, and if you're in a position or in a place where you feel uncomfortable or unsafe, try your best to get out of there as soon as possible, okay?
And to celebrities, I think that, that thing gets into people's heads. I am this big. So I could get anything I want. And so you go about doing this. Hey. If it was in Nigeria, I would say that maybe they are just still stupid. But abroad, when you know that your law does not take nonsense, okay? All right, so we will be back with a social view after this time out. Stay here with us, guys.